Hello and welcome to Wow Embossing's video hop. We are celebrating Ethereal Meadows, the new collection inspired by Brennan. Since this is a video hop, you need to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, hop along, and enter the fabulous giveaway. Now, in my video today, I'm using Blue Mist and Buttercup Blossom, the two embossing powders that are a part of this collection. I am also going to be using Speckled Egg later on. I just have scrap pieces of cardstock here and I am basically embossing them. So I am using my Wow embossing ink pad and just pressing my paper onto the ink pad and sprinkling the powders and heat setting them to get embossed panels. I am playing with Spellbinder's Poppy Song collection today. Um, and I have these flowers and the leaves, as well as the playful stripes die that I've used to cut out the smaller piece that I think makes for a fun tag. I'm bringing in Serene Lattice and stencil from Alt New, placing that over the tag and using my embossing ink, just rubbing that to get a nice grungy pattern. Now, I am using Speckled Sky. I think I said Speckled Egg earlier. I'm sorry, but it's Speckled Sky. I'm using that, sprinkling that, and there you go. I have a nice grungy background for my little tag. I'm bringing in Sizzix Studio stamp sets here, and I just want something that can bring contrast to my background. So I'm going in with the script stamp and stamping with black obsidian ink for pop of contrast. I then just dry fit my elements and see where I like them, and then I pick another silhouette leaf stamp from the same stamp set and stamp that with black for a little more interest and uh, basically texture that looks like my composition extends beyond those die cuts. Once I'm happy, I use liquid glue as well as instant dimension foam tape to adhere the leaves and those tiny adorable flowers. Now, you could easily layer this entire cluster on an A2 card base, giving you a nice layered card. Since I'm just keeping this as a tag, and I think it also makes for a really fun ATC card. I'm just going to leave it as it is. So I just went in with black splatter. I am adding black sequins to create flower centers. It basically brings in that pop of contrast from the background to the foreground. Once I'm happy with that, I am using my Tim Holtz stickers to just add some words to create meaning, making this tag a little more playful. You can say I'm adding sentiments, so sprinkle love, and that's about it. That is a closer look at the detail, the shine, the texture, the shimmer. Again, do hop along for more inspiration and to stand a chance to win fabulous embossing powders from this release. Until the next time, take care and bye-bye.